Hi guys, this is Crystal. Today I'm just gonna do a little getting ready with me. We are going on a date tonight for belated Valentine's Day. I think he just got home. Hello?
Huh? Are you filming?
Yeah.
What are you filming?
I'm filming it. Get ready with me.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
What's your setting?
I don't know.
What about your zoom? No, too wide.
Isn't that basically what I had it at?
That's true. I don't know how to help you.
I don't know how to help me either.
6 o'clock. Don't be late.
Well, that's why I'm getting ready right now. We're gonna go ahead and just skip right into the makeup look. I did my lashes off camera because, well, quite frankly, I somehow managed to not film it. And also it was kind of a shit show trying to get my lashes on. I had 30 minutes to get ready and 20 minutes of it was spent putting on those lashes. So I just had a bit of a fail trying to get those on, but I did it eventually. And so we're just gonna skip straight into the makeup look, which took only 10 minutes for me to do. This is a really lash extension friendly makeup look, and it kind of is basically my everyday makeup routine. If I don't have lashes on, I'll just put on some mascara and that's pretty much it. So I'm starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which I actually really like. I just have a small sample of it, but every time I've used this, it has really given my skin a very flawless look. Now I'm just going in with my Dior Backstage foundation. You just need a few drops of this and dot that all over your face. And I'm just using a little foundation brush to blend all that foundation out. Now I'm going in with my NARS concealer, which I use to hide some of my imperfections and acne scars. If you've seen some of my previous YouTube makeup tutorials, you are familiar with these products. Then I'm going in with my Pat McGrath concealer, which is a little lighter than my skin tone, so it just helps brighten up areas, specifically in the under eye area, as well as around my nose and along my frown lines. I'm just taking a makeup sponge and blending all of that out, bouncing as fast as I can. So the good thing about this makeup is that there's not really any eye makeup elements involved, so it keeps your lashes very clean. I'm just putting on some blush now before I set my face, which is this Rare Beauty liquid blush, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it all out, using both of my hands at the same time to go as fast as possible. And I'm just blending this upwards towards my temples. Now I'm just taking some of my Givenchy setting powder and dusting that lightly under my eye and anywhere where I put concealer. And then also on my forehead, because that is where I get the most oily. Now I'm just brushing my brows through with a bit of tinted brow gel. Helps darken the color of my eyebrows, especially with such voluminous lashes like this. I definitely want to darken my eyebrows a bit. Now I'm just dusting my cheeks again with some more blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, which I use almost every day. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm using this clothing tag, which is actually a pretty nice substantial piece of really thick cardstock to help protect my bottom eyelids from getting mascara on them. This is from NARS, and I'm not exactly sure what the product is, but I'll make sure I link it in the description box below. But it's like this shimmery pink color. I think it's like a lip pencil that also works as a lipstick. And then I'm topping it with some of my Fenty gloss. For my hair, I'm just putting in some dry shampoo. This is from Bumble & Bumble. I like that it's in a powder form because it makes it last a really long time. I've actually had this bottle for ages. I don't even remember when I bought it. It's been years, I think. Brushing my fingers through my hair so that the dry shampoo seeps up all of the oils. I'm spraying the front of my hair, particularly my bangs, with some texturizing spray. This is from Oribe. It's bringing some life back into my hair so that it's not so flat and sad. I'm just separating out my front pieces of bangs from the rest of my hair, and then I just twist my hair up and clip it up with this hair claw. Okay, and I'm pretty much done. I just need to change out my jewelry. I'm wearing some gold hoops. You might have seen these in my Mexico lookbook, but they're a pair of Madewell gold hoops and then the Medjugorje dome hoops. I've been really loving this combo. Just brings a whole lot of extra oomph to an outfit. For necklaces, I'm wearing this chain necklace from Halo Jewelry that I just got, and my Ana Luisa pendant necklace. And to complete the outfit, I just got this faux leather blazer from Aritzia, which I'm absolutely in love with. I feel like you could throw it over any outfit and just really bring this cool vibe to any outfit. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ready for Damon.